In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a drop shadow to text on Canva. So the first step is to add text to your project. And then from here, select the text and choose Effects. Under Effects, you should see the option Shadow. Click on it. And then from here, you should see a shadow has already formed around your text. So to further edit it, you can choose to use these sliders that are appeared. So you can increase or decrease the offset according to your liking. And then you also have the option of changing the direction, as well as increasing the blur or decreasing it, and the transparency of the drop shadow. Then once you're finished with that, you can also choose to change the color of the drop shadow. So currently it's set to the default color of the text. So to change it, you just click on the color option, then choose among the options that are available. So you can choose to use any type of option that you want to use. Then once you've made your choice, click on an empty space on your screen and you've successfully added a drop shadow. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.